Are you struggling to get consistent feedback and testimonials from your clients? You know those reviews can boost your credibility, but gathering them can feel like an endless task. Hey, I'm Lisa from Scale Mastery, and today I'll show you how to fully automate the client feedback and testimonial process so you can focus on coaching while building credibility. Imagine collecting testimonials without lifting a finger, all thanks to a simple automation setup. Stay with me until the end, and I'll share a ready-made template you can use right away, designed to make this automation as simple as a click. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about why automating feedback collection is important. Collecting feedback consistently can be challenging, especially if you're doing it manually. Automating this process saves time, reduces the need for follow-ups, and ensures you're always getting input from clients. This helps improve client relationships, keeps them engaged, and gives you insights to enhance your services. Now, let's look at how Go HighLevel makes this possible. To start, go to your Go HighLevel dashboard and navigate to Automation on the left menu. We're going to set up a workflow that automatically sends feedback requests to clients after a specific event, like a completed service or an appointment. You'll see a range of templates, but let's start from scratch so I can guide you through each step. Let's call it Client Feedback Collection. Naming helps you stay organized if you have multiple workflows. Choose a trigger that best suits your needs. Common triggers include appointment status or service completed. For this tutorial, let's use product completed to send a feedback request right after a job is done. Now add an action for sending the feedback request. Go to Send Email or Send SMS, depending on how you want to reach your clients. I'll demonstrate with an email. Now that we have the email action set up, it's time to create a message that encourages clients to share their feedback. Keep it short, polite, and to the point. Here's a quick template you can use. You must include a link to a feedback form for a smoother experience. Go HighLevel offers built-in survey forms, or you can use Google Forms or Typeform if you prefer. Let's create a feedback form right in Go HighLevel. Go to Sites in the left menu and then select Forms. Click on Create New Form. Here, add fields like short text boxes for comments and multiple choice options if you want specific feedback. Customize the form to match your brand style, then save it. So first, let's create a form. Copy the form link. We'll use it in the email. Now, let's go back to the email action in your workflow and insert the feedback form link. Click Insert Link and paste the form URL. Once that's done, you have a feedback email ready to go. Sometimes clients may overlook the first request. To increase response rates, set up a reminder. Add a wait action for a few days. Keep it friendly. Now toggle on the Publish button. You can test your workflow. Finally, save it. Once feedback starts coming in, go to the Reporting section in Go HighLevel to review responses. Look for trends in the feedback that can help improve your services, identify areas of excellence, and address any recurring issues. Automating feedback collection saves you time and creates a smoother experience for clients. Now that you've seen how to automate client feedback effortlessly, take it a step further with our exclusive link in the description. You'll get a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel, double the usual trial length, and instant access to our fully built feedback template, ready to use for your business. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to streamline your client engagement and boost your credibility. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this to scale your coaching business. Thanks for watching. With automation, scaling your coaching business just got a whole lot easier. See you in the next video.